Want to cancel your ClickFunnels subscription and stop future billing? It's a straightforward process. First, log into your ClickFunnels account. Navigate to the Billing or Subscription section within your account settings. Then, select the Cancel Subscription option. You'll be prompted to choose a reason for canceling. Select the one that best applies to you. Finally, confirm your cancellation to halt any future charges. Note that while billing stops immediately, you'll still have access to your data for a limited time to allow for export. Once you cancel your ClickFunnels subscription, the platform provides a 30-day window to export all your important data, including funnels, contacts, and analytics. Access the Export Data tool within your account settings to download everything before the window closes. If you have an annual plan, you may be eligible for a prorated refund covering the remaining unused months. Reach out to ClickFunnels support to initiate this process. Be careful to select full cancellation rather than the pause option, as pausing might lead to unintended automatic reactivation of your subscription. ClickFunnels adheres to data protection regulations including GDPR for European users and CCPA for California residents, ensuring your privacy rights are respected. If you encounter any billing glitches or other issues during the cancellation process, contact ClickFunnels support through their live chat feature or community forum for prompt assistance.